Hello, my name is Steve Bigelow with the Candlestick Forum. This week, the market started off pretty choppy, which has been the nature of this market trend over the last few weeks. As we can see, the Dow traded lower today and actually closed slightly below the T-line. It was having a hard time getting up through this resistance level. But what we can analyze is that it's still a slow uptrend, but notice how choppy it is. Now, on the other side of the coin, the NASDAQ continues to trade higher, and this is usually a very bullish signal or indication. Notice when they consolidated today, they consolidated right back to the T line, a very strong investor sentiment, natural support and resistance level. And the reason it acts like a natural support and resistance level is because nobody has the T line on their charts. That means when it comes back down and tests this level, it's pretty much using a natural support level or kind of Fibonacci characteristics built into the T line. This makes the markets kind of segmented in the respect that there's some sectors that are acting strong, such as the biotechs. Remember, we recommended buying Monera because of the J-hook pattern, classic pattern, your fry pan bottom, which creates a very strong price move, and then the J-hook pattern, which prerequisite is a very strong price move. And if it broke out through this level, you could still be buying it, which is exactly what's happened. This is what we call convergence analysis. Notice our double doji setup, a very strong high probability trade setup that if you see an uptrend with a double doji and then they open up positive after that, that the consolidation is over, get ready for the next price move. In this case, you can see what's happening in Monera. We've got huge profits in the stock as well as in the calls. Same scenario over here on BNTX. Our recommendation was based upon the fact that when they pulled back, they did a left-right combo right here off the T-line. If it broke through this level, so we could be buying here, that would tell us that we've got another wave to the upside. Again, we call this 2+2 analysis because when you can see a strong signal on a strong support level, the T-line, we can anticipate what type of pattern setup we've got developing. In this case, a big J-hook pattern. That J-hook pattern was also evident in our recommendation on VXRT. There was a downtrending resistance level, and notice the bobble breakout. This would tell us that if this is wave 1, wave 3 is going to be the same magnitude. You can utilize the stochastics. Remember, we're looking for strong buy signals in the oversold area. We're looking for pattern breakouts when stochastics are usually up here in the overbought area. The pot stocks are acting well starting out this week. We will probably be recommending TLRY on a positive open tomorrow because look how it's got a fry pan bottom staying above the T line. Now if they open up positive, you essentially have a doji sandwich, which means your next likely target is eventually going to be up here testing the highs. And the fry pan bottoms, such as in our position right now on WWR, has expectations. If you can see the fry pan bottom, you can see how it continues to trade up above the T line, that if this opens positive, the expectations are you could have another strong price move like we saw over here. This is essentially investor sentiment buildup, and we've got the indicators, the T line, the support off the 50, the fry pan bottom, and we're right here at a breakout level. These are what provide the high probability big price moves. So the Dow was the only one that traded or closed below the T-line. The S&P 500, the transportation index, and the NASDAQ all climbed back up above the T-line. So the assumption is we're going to be in a very slow uptrend, but that still means there's going to be specific sectors acting very strong, while other sectors are acting weak. We've got the benefit of utilizing simple candlestick scanning techniques to identify which of each of those sectors are strong or weak, meaning we could have both long and short positions on and be very profitable in these market conditions. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.